Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about rhetoric and composition. These are important skills that help us become better writers and communicators. Let's get started. So to start with, we are going to talk about introduction to rhetoric and composition. What is rhetoric? First, let's talk about rhetoric. Rhetoric is the art of persuasion. It's how we use words to convince others to agree with us or to take action. Rhetoric's definition is rhetoric is the art of persuasion using language. It's how we use words to convince others to agree with us or to take action. There are three main ways to persuade people, that is, ethos, pathos, and logos. These are known as rhetorical appeals. Part 2 of this class goes titled as rhetorical appeals. So let's break down these three appeals. What is ethos? This appeal is about credibility and trust. When you use ethos, you show that you are trustworthy and knowledgeable. For example, a doctor giving health advice uses ethos because they are an expert. Next is pathos. This appeal is about emotions. When you use pathos, you try to make the audience feel something like happiness, sadness, or anger. For example, a charity ad showing hungry children uses pathos to make people feel sad and donate money. Next is logos. This appeal is about logic and reason. When you use logos, you provide facts, statistics, and logical arguments. For example, a scientist presenting research data using logos to convince people of their findings. What is composition? Now let's talk about composition. Composition is the process of writing. It involves planning, drafting, revising, and editing your work. Composition's definition is composition is the process of writing, including planning, drafting, revising, and editing. Steps of the writing process. Here are the main steps of the writing process. First is planning. Think about what you want to write. Make an outline or a plan. Next is drafting. Write your first version. Don't worry about the mistakes yet. Next step is revising. Improve your writing. Change words, sentences, or paragraphs to make your ideas clearer. Next is editing. Check for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Next is publishing. Share your final piece with others. Practical tips. Here are some tips to help you with your writing. Writing tips. First, know your audience. Think about who will read your writing and what they need to know. Next is be clear and concise. Use simple words and short sentences to make your point. Use strong evidence. Support your arguments with facts, examples, and got. Next is stay organized. Follow your outline to keep your writing structured and logical. Next is revise and edit. Always take time to revise and edit your work before you consider it finished. That's a brief introduction to rhetoric and composition. Remember, rhetoric helps us persuade others, and composition is the process of writing. By using these skills, you can become a better writer and communicator. Now, do you have any questions about rhetoric and or composition? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for listening. Next time we'll go deeper into each of these topics. See you then.